Hello everybody, it's me Aiden. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, look at this place. A strong check here. So guys, so many people doing barbecue here. We will go somewhere else. I will show you. So guys, this is a speedboat. It can go so fast. We can sit on it and go to another island. Let's go. Now we are sitting on the speedboat. Wow, it's so fast. It's so fun. And look at the water. So guys, we reach our place. We are here. Now we're starting fire. Do you know guys what we're gonna cook then? Any guess? Yeah, we're gonna cook lamb dampukht. Uncle is eating the dish. Look guys, what's inside the pot? There is mutton. There is onion. There is potatoes. Everything inside. Wow. So guys, our pot is ready. Now we can close it to cook. Now uncle is making a dough to seal the pot so it can cook nicely. Let's see how they gonna do. Wow. So amazing. Okay, now they're making like a curly thing. Okay, now what are they doing next? So they are sticking the dough with the lid to make it cook and to seal it. If you enjoyed my video, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now we are taking a pot to let it cook. So guys, you can see we are also doing barbecue here. Let's make the things ready for that. Let's go guys. So they're gonna cook and put some wood. Then they're making like a fire. Putting up now. Now we're gonna put the meat over the grill. So guys, we're gonna cook some chicken. Then we're gonna put it up in the grill so we can cook. Look at that, guys. My mouth is watering. Guys, just look at the drinks. They're covered with ice. They're all cooked now. They look so yum and fresh. Now it's time for the moment of truth. My daddy's gonna taste it. It was so delicious. So yummy. Last but not the least, we are making milk tea. So yummy. I want to drink it now. I cannot take it anymore. Now it's ready. Everybody's gonna drink it and taste it how. Our Dampukht is done. Let's check. First, they are breaking a seed. Now they're gonna break it. Then we're gonna take the pot. Then we're gonna eat it. So they are taking this off. But they don't know how. They are trying to do it. It's almost off now. We're gonna take the lid. Wow. It looks so yummy. I want to eat it now. I cannot wait for a long time. So yummy. I wonder what they're gonna taste. Messy, guys. Wow. It looks so yummy. That looks like that. It's so yummy. I love it. Wow. We are closing now. If you want to visit this place, I will put link in the description. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye guys.